Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a craft with me video, sharing with you guys how to make these super cute little Halloween embellishments. I had seen a post on Instagram, which I'll have linked down below, that inspired me to create these. And you guys, they are legit super easy to make and fun to share with your pen pals for Halloween mail. So first I want to show you guys what I used to create them, and then we're going to make a few so you guys can see how easy it is to make these. You can make a bunch in no time, and you don't have to do the stitching part. That's just a little extra thing that I like to do, but you definitely don't have to do that. You can just glue up the sheets and there you go. So of course you're going to need some Halloween paper, some little stickers. I have these pumpkins here. I have some bats, I have some brads, some little pumpkins, and a bunch of the little stickers from Pebbles, and these little like wax seals, and then just a bunch of scrap paper. You can use your scraps for this, you guys. It's the easiest thing. You don't have to break a brand new paper pad or anything. I also have some word stickers just to give it. I love adding like little sentiments to all my embellishments. And then some crepe paper for your little mini rosettes. And then I like to add like little hints of fabric. So I like this ribbon right here. Let me show you guys how I used it. Like you see right here, I did some pom-poms and stitched on for layering purposes. So that's how that looks. And of course I have some tulle, which I also add in between the pieces of paper for little added texture. And that's all you need, you guys. It's super easy. You need your glue gun if you're gonna stitch, your sewing machine, and let's get to making these embellies. All right, so let me move my chair and grab my scissors. Are you guys excited for Halloween? I have been having so much fun crafting for Halloween. So we're gonna make about three of them together. So I'm gonna prep my little pieces that I choose to use. I think I'm gonna use this little polka dot one as well. I like that one. Oops, a little sticky. And then I might use this orange one over here. I love making super easy embellishments that don't take a lot of time, unless I really want to get into it. But I love to make super quick embellishments that are done in 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 different little ribbons that I can use for my embellishments. And now we're going to cut up. I'm going to do 2 black and then 1 with the polka dot. I love this crepe paper. It's so cute, perfect for Halloween. I have a little bit left. So what I do is I fold my crepe paper like this, or crepe paper, however you guys say it, and then I cut it right in the middle just so that it could be a tiny rosette. And then you're left over with what looks like this. And then we're gonna build our tiny rosette. I think these are super easy to make, you guys, and they don't have to be perfect, so don't worry about that. I think I have a video making these little tiny ones. I think the Maggie Holmes inspired rosettes, I think it is. I haven't made these little itty bitty ones in a while. Okay, so let's fold that up, and then you can grab your, I'm gonna use my tiny attacher to put these together. If they seem a little uneven, just cut around and you're good to go. That is my first one. And then we're gonna do a black one. So you fold in half, cut right through the middle, and then just start building your rosette. I haven't done a craft with me in a while, you guys. And I know how much you guys love these videos. It's probably one of my most viewed videos. I just never have the time to do them, but I'm opening up time now, you guys. I've been having really bad back issues, so I'm gonna be home for a little bit, and I think that I can dedicate more time to my channel. Let me just, so hopefully you guys will see some more videos, some more craft with me's. Okay, let me do another polka dot one since it's right here. So definitely stay tuned for that. It's not good that I have back issues, but I've had back issues for a while now. Back in 2008, I lifted a television on my own and I damaged a disc on my back, and I had sciatica so bad, you guys. It was the worst for like over almost 2 years, and then it went away. But I guess having a desk job and then always constantly crafting on my desk kind of made it worse again, because sitting all day is not good for you. And now I've been going through tons of pain on my back, my neck, so I'm trying to heal that. But yeah, you guys, we have our little rosettes here. We have the ribbon that we're going to use, and now we're going to get our little pieces of paper. As you can see, let me make sure that I'm still in frame. Yep, I am. Okay, so let's see. I want to use the Something Wicked paper pad. I have some scraps here. So what you see, I have this one right here, and what I want to do is I want to tear it. I'm actually going to cut it to where I want it, and then I'm going to tear it because I like that little tearing effect on the paper. So I know that that's going to be one of my pieces, like my bottom piece. I'm going to grab my tool. I'm just going to cut one little piece. You don't need too much of this. It's almost just like a little, just a little extra. Okay. That's going to go right on top. And then, since I don't really like that pattern, let's see what else we have here. Plain black. Oh, we have this striped one right here. So this is double-sided paper, so there's two different patterns you can use. I think I'm going to use both sides of this one. This one I'm actually going to make it into kind of like a little page flag. You could do whatever you want, you guys. You can cut the paper however you want. It's just basically almost like piling up little strips on top of each other. So I'm going to put that there. And then the stripe side, well, this side right here, I'm going to tear right down the middle. And I'm going to put that, oh, it might be a little, maybe this one can go right here. So that'll be like my first one that I'm going to stitch together. So we're building them up, and then I'll go and sew them, because then I'm going to put those on the side. So for this one, we'll put this little piece of fabric right here. Okay, so we have our little setup on that one. Now we're going to build our next one. I'm going to cut a piece of this one, and then kind of like a thicker piece. So we're going to use this side as our base. We're going to do the tearing. Do you guys see how easy this is? You can whip up some cute little Halloween embellishments in no time. And then, this is a little too I'm gonna put the orange one right on top, and I'm only gonna do one little like flag side, and then we're gonna put some of the tulle right on top, and then we're gonna put this one here, and maybe this fabric on this one. So that's that one. And let's find, maybe I can use this one and like a plain black, well not, let me see if I have, I think I have some more straps over here. What is your guys' favorite? Do you guys prefer Christmas crafting or Halloween crafting? I think that's a hard choice for me to make, because I think I like them both equally. So I don't know. But I think if I had to choose, it would definitely be over Christmas. I like Halloween. Just because I like the colors. I like Christmas too, but if I had to choose, I would pick Halloween. Okay, so we have, oh, I forgot my little tool for this one. The tool kind of gives it a really extra look, so I feel like you should definitely use the tool because it does look nicer with it. You don't have to. It's all up to you how you like it, but I'm going to sew these and I will be right back so that we can decorate them. Hey guys, and we're back. So here are the pieces all stitched up together with all the layers. Do you guys see how cool they look? I love the shredded papers and just the way the layers look on top of each other. They don't have to be perfect. That kind of makes it look even more interesting. All the textures, super cute. And now they're ready to decorate. So let me have a seat. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the rosettes on each little corner. So we're gonna glue those down. I'm just gonna use my hot glue and glue those down. And once you put down your little rosettes, this is what you're left with, as you can see. Now you can choose what you want to put in the center of your rosettes. So I'm going to use one of these little bee pumpkins. They're so cute. And I'm going to put that one in the center of this one. And for this one, we're going to use one of these glittery pumpkins. I think that'll look cute. And then for this one, we'll use one of these little wax seal roses. Okay, so far that's what we have. Now we're just gonna add some of the bats, just because I like the way these look. I need to check if I have more of these. These are like my favorite to use so far in my projects. So you can place them wherever you want. I'm just gonna put these right here. This one, I'll probably put it right here. And then for this one, I'm gonna place it over here. Then we want to put a sentiment, of course. So for this one, I'm gonna put pumpkin carving party. I add some extra hot glue in the back to give it some more security so it doesn't go anywhere. So we have that one. And then for this one, we can put ghosts and goblins. I'm gonna place that one right here. And we're almost done with these super cute embellishments. You guys, it seriously takes me more time because I'm actually filming it. But if you guys are doing it on your own, you'll see how easy in like 10 minutes you'll have a bunch done. So once you have that, I'm also gonna get some enamel dots just because I love to put enamel dots on my projects. So we're gonna put one of these little orange ones right here. Another one of these orange ones over here. And then maybe like a little green one right there. This little black one that fell out, so might as well use it. And there you go, you guys. Our embellishments are done. Look how cute. There's this one. There's this one. And then there's this one. So let me know down below which one is your favorite. Of course, you guys know I always ask for your opinion. Let me know if you're gonna make them. Super easy to make, super fun to share in some Halloween Happy Mail. And yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for some more crafty Craft With Me videos, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.